Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wished your Xiaomi phone could read out text for you, or perhaps you wanted to disable this feature? No worries, in today's video I'll show how to turn on or off select to speak on Xiaomi phones. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, grab your Xiaomi device and open the settings app on it. Then scroll down and find additional settings. Next, tap accessibility from here. Then switch to the version settings by tapping on it. Here you will find the select to speak feature. Then toggle on select to speak shortcut. And hit that allow button and then the OK button. And you will find the select to speak shortcut here. Just tap on it to start and select the text you wanted to read aloud. And hey, if you want to turn it off, just toggle off the shortcut from here. So guys, that's how you enable or disable select to speak feature on your Xiaomi phones. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got loads more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!